this starfish, apple, cutter, and coral. So I actually take it out of the package. So that's really what it is. And it have a little cover and all of that. These are the instructions. Push it down, flip, pop. So it's a starfish wedge and pop. That's what it is. So that's it. I wash it. I'm going to show you how I use it. So I got the apple here, and I'm definitely going to, take off the little thing here. I'm going to wash it. And then as I'm washing that, we're going to take advantage of this starfish thing. So this have a little thing here, and basically I'll show you how it's done. So you just put it to the side like that, take this over, center it, and go down in it like that. So if you notice, it's still stuck underneath. So what this part does, you push it up like this, and put it up, voila, everything pops up. So you take off the apples, see that? Take the apples off like that. Take off the apples, take out your apples. Oh, sorry, I'm just having it in my hand, but you take out your apples like that. And then, see the coral? And that's it, perfectly coral. So that's it. What you call it? I would say 10 out of 10. So see, I'm putting them in here. And look, there's nothing in there. All you have to do now is basically rinse this off. It's also dishwasher safe. And there it goes.